Hello, Masayo's Messy Kitchen. I'm Masayo. When you washing rice, we usually throw away, but I'm using for the something today. In the stainless bowl, I'm adding some salt into the rice water, like this much. I would say the salty like a sweat or tears or even blood. Just a little bit more. Why I like stainless bowl? Because we can heat until it's melting. So I wouldn't say boil, just until we melting. So even just a little bit on the stove, it might be hot, so use some fabric. And what we need, veggies and some mason jar. I'm gonna make a water kimchi. Whatever the vegetable is, but some of the vegetables are really good for, pickle, some are not. So I like celery, maybe 2 stalks, carrots, because of the colors too. It's so colorful. Cucumber. You know what? I like cauliflower too. Cauliflower. It's so good. Do you remember chateau cutting? I cut cucumber first though, but doesn't matter of the order for cutting. But it does matter for the order of the putting in the jar. So carrot is hard and celery is kind of hard. So I would say maybe celery first. Celery like diagonal. I like diagonal. And put into the mason jar. Celery first. And the carrot. And the cucumber. The garlic and garlic. Put inside. Just a little bit slice of apple, like this much is fine. You can cut. Water kimchi, which is a pickles, right? So fermented. To get fermented, they need some sweet and stuff. Sweet is their food. It's fine, right? And this is not very, hot. So just pulling gently. Grape tomatoes and broccoli and cauliflower, zucchini, they are great. Cucumber, celery, and carrot. And here, isn't it beautiful? Just wait overnight in room temperature, and tomorrow morning you're gonna be very surprising. So I'm gonna open it. Wow, did you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see the bubble? It's fermented. Yay! Yay! And you can eat this pickle, of course. You can drink this soup too. Yeah.